What's up YouTube? Jason Wardrop here, and in this video I'm going to break down how to start a YouTube channel for beginners so you can actually make some money, right? Because that's kind of the cool thing. That's what everyone hopes to go through and do. Now this is something I've become super passionate about because I've seen how YouTube has really helped transform and affect my business over the last 9 months or so that I started back in January of 2018 of this year, and you can see right here on my channel I have just over 13,000 subscribers. So obviously there's channels that have a lot more subscribers than my channel, but the cool thing is you guys can see here from ad revenue I'm gonna make about $2,600, or just shy of $2,600 in ad revenue in the past 30 days. So in the last month, $2,600, and that doesn't count any course sales or anything like that. That's just an ad revenue, which is pretty cool. And that's also why I'm so passionate about YouTube. And I honestly think everyone should start a YouTube channel, whether you're camera shy or not. You need to start a YouTube channel. My wife and my brother actually make fun of me because every single person I meet, I'm like, man, you need to start a YouTube channel. It's gonna be so awesome. And this actually kind of hit me about probably, I think it was last month. I was flying home from San Francisco and I flew into the Salt Lake airport, and when I got there, there was this older gentleman. He was probably in his 70s, and he was vacuuming the floors in the airport. And I'm like, man, if this guy only would have started a YouTube channel 10 years ago, he could have some passive income coming in, and he wouldn't have to be here as a janitor and vacuuming the floors at 1 a.m. because I guarantee you he does not want to be there, doesn't want to do that. So guys, that's why I'm so passionate about YouTube. So in this video I want to break down step by step and show you guys everything that you need to do if you're getting started with YouTube, of how to structure the channel the right way. And I've got this all laid out step by step. I actually even made a checklist for you guys. So if you guys drop a comment down below, I'll be able to share this with you. And if you guys find this video helpful, I would really appreciate it if you guys give it a thumbs up. It helps more people be able to find this. And the great thing about YouTube, guys, is when I first started, I thought that, oh man, I can't get started on YouTube because there's so much competition. But the truth is, if somebody's gonna watch, let's say, a fitness channel, which there's millions of fitness channels, and someone's into fitness, let's say intermittent fasting, that person that's into intermittent fasting, they're not only watching one person's channel. They're probably gonna watch 5 to 10 other intermittent fasting channels. And that's the beauty about YouTube, the collaboration. It's not like because they bought one product they're not gonna buy another one. It's not because they're watching one channel they're not gonna watch another one. So as far as competition goes, it's kind of irrelevant, right? So that's why I want to go through and break down step by step why you should start a YouTube channel. Really doesn't matter what business you're in, doesn't matter what you're passionate about, just jump in and start a channel. So the first thing on this checklist you can see is create a new YouTube channel. Right now, if you guys have a Gmail account, just go to youtube.com, sign in. It's going to kind of prompt you, or I just searched in Google new YouTube channel, very top result, create a YouTube channel. But since I already have a channel, the thing is it won't let me go through and just create a new channel. So I've got to come over here. I've got this other link popped up, and let's see right here. So it's got under this email address, it has all my different channels. So these ones are two random ones. I don't remember why I started those, but this is my main channel. This is our softwares channel, about 846 subscribers. We haven't really focused too much on that, but all I have to do is just click on create a new channel right here. Okay, and I'll add that link down below in the description as well, so you guys can go through and grab that. And so we're gonna call this a test channel. And guys, the nice thing about Google, Facebook, YouTube, all these different platforms, they literally make this so easy. They walk you through step by step. So if you're a brand new total beginner, you're not really sure how to go through and make this all happen, they just walk you through. Okay, so we're just gonna hit create on this channel, and then it's gonna walk us through this whole creation process. My internet is okay. So now we're here. Okay, so test channel. What we can do now, we come back over here, create a cover photo and upload your profile picture. Now these ones are kind of interchangeable. It doesn't really matter which one you do first. So I'm gonna actually go through and upload my profile picture just because it's right here. I'm just gonna click on this, and it says edit your channel icon. Okay, and then I'm just gonna go through and upload a photo. So I've got one. I've got my profile picture right here on my desktop right there. So just click open, and then once my internet goes done, And then sometimes it takes a second to go through and get fully updated on your channel. Now they kind of kick me to a weird screen, so let's get back over to YouTube here. So we click on YouTube. Now if we want to go back to like where we go and edit everything, we just click on this top little icon. We click on that and we go to this YouTube Studio, or sometimes it's Creator Studio. This is kind of a newer edition, so YouTube Studio Beta. Or we can just go to my channel and we can click on customize channel, right? So the second thing we want to do, if we look over here on this checklist, is create a cover photo. Now I don't know about you, I'm not a designer. I'm not very good at like making things look nice, and so I use a 100% free tool that is called Canva, canva.com. You can see all of the different things that I create on here. This is where I create this checklist. And then you can come over here. It's got all these pre-built templates. The size, like this is where I create all my YouTube thumbnails, right? So we're just gonna click on more, and then we're gonna come down here, and it's gonna have one that has the YouTube. So you see social media and email headers, YouTube thumbnail, and then where is it? YouTube channel art right there. So we click on that, and they've got all these pre-built designs that we can go through and use for our business. So like let's say you like this one right here, or maybe you like this one right here, and you see they've got all these different free options. They have some paid options, but you can just really go through and choose whatever you want. Then if you want to upload a picture, you can upload it there. You can add text, add elements. You can change out the text right over here. So we can say we're gonna call this our test channel, something like that. We can go through and just really customize everything that's going on here. So this looks like this is an actual, so we'll go like this. Okay, and then you just hit download. We'll hit download right there, saving your design, and then it's going to download it to our desktop so that we can then go upload it as our channel art. Okay, so it's right there. We'll drag to our desktop, hit add channel art, and then we're just going to drag this on over, upload it, and then we just hit okay. You can see you can adjust the crop if you want to. This looks good to me, so I'm just gonna hit select, save right there. And you guys notice it hasn't updated my profile picture. Sometimes it takes a minute for that to go through and upload. So if you did upload it and it's not looking like it's uploaded, don't worry, it's totally fine. It's there. It just takes sometimes a minute to go through and stay uploaded. So we're moving through the checklist, guys. We've got create new channel, create the cover photo, upload the profile picture, and then upload defaults, right? So what I like to do is every time you upload a video, sometimes there's things that you want as tags or defaults every single time that you upload a video. And also you can go through and make channel keywords. Like let's say your channel is about basketball, for example. So if it's about basketball, you want probably to have the channel keywords to say basketball or basketball drills or NBA or LeBron James or something like that. So we'll come over here, we'll click on this little Creator Studio, and then this will take us back in where we can manage all the comments, the videos, everything that has to do with our channel. We'll hit got it. Now this YouTube Studio Beta, this is kind of newer. I usually like to kind of use the classic Creator Studio, so I'm just gonna actually click right down here, Creator Studio Classic. Okay, and I'm just gonna hit skip just for this example. It's gonna be easier for me to show you guys what's going on. So I'm gonna come over here to the channel, and then we're gonna click on upload defaults right here. Okay, so for upload defaults, this is where we can go in here, and this is where we can add tags to our videos. So for example, we want our videos to be tagged with basketball and maybe comma LeBron James or Kobe Bryant or whatever it is, and we can add tags. So every time a video is uploaded, we don't have to go through and put in all those tags, but it's important to have those tags that are specific to that video. Then after we save this, what we want to do is come down to advanced, and this is actually where we're going to go through and put in the channel keyword.